Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we're gonna go over a project I just started digging around and randomly found some really good interest in it. And I actually started researching it, trying to see, could this be the next big ass project? From what it's building and what it does, I think it has the capability and the possibility. And currently the market cap is low enough to where we have opportunity to maybe make life-changing money, especially if they follow through with everything they're saying. And as I started researching their site, their Twitter, here, let's get right into it. Let me show you all what I found. So this is a Twitter page. It's called Trade Bionic, right? And it's basically just a leverages behavioral economics. And I love that. What that basically means, you guys, is that they're going to use human traders, AI, and HFT to minimize risks and maximize the profits from trading. And here's the thing, a lot of people don't like to do the work of trading. When I first started, that was very, very freaking difficult. I hated it. I think this is going to allow us to bridge some of that gap where people who do it every day as a skill, as a hobby, have the capability to help others who do not. I will not trade other people's funds, and in a way, this helps allowing them to trade my funds, right? So let's look through what it is, what it looks like, and what it does. So here's right off the bat. I love this. 10 million tokens, what they're at. Currently 8.5 is circulating, and then the team locked away 1.5. 5% buy and 5% sell. Some people don't love that. I love that because literally, look, you cannot build a project unless there's a way for the project to make money to continue building, right? So it's not necessarily greed for taxes. A lot of times it's to continue building on their project, right? So as I was looking through it, I opened up the site. Here, let's actually just go to the site because our Twitter page doesn't look bad. Looks pretty real. Good number of followers. They're not following too many. They get some good interaction, right? So it's not bad at all, you guys. That's a good percentage for the number of followers. I really, really like seeing that. And here, let's click the site. There it is. So we get to the main site. First off, that's fucking beautiful, right? That is beautiful. Their wording, right? Because usually their headline is, you always want to read the headline, know what the company thinks that they're offering or what they do. Trade Bionic is a new way to invest, trade, and earn utilizing economic and behavioral theories to diversify and mitigate any point of failure. I really like that. That's kind of like my strategy where I have a bunch of different businesses that mitigate the failures of one, protecting the other a lot of times. So that's kind of, I think, what they're doing here, but they're doing it in a scale for investments. So that what I'm kind of understanding from it is it uses AI, bot, algorithm, high-frequency trading. On top of that, copy trading and hedge fund trading to kind of do the trades for us. And I think when we invest into it, I think the revenue share from what I saw as I was looking through was 40%. That's pretty freaking good. It seems like it's a team self-funded startup. I'm a huge supporter of that as a business owner. I think those are the ones where they have the most incentive to see it grow, where one that's backed by VCs or just a bunch of people gave it money, they tend not to care as much, where if it's your baby, you're gonna do whatever the fuck you need to grow it. And I really, really like that. ERC based, ERC20 based, of course, otherwise I wouldn't really care that much. So I'm really happy about that. Their roadmap is not bad. Right? Clearly we're right here and they did this. They launched, and we'll look at the chart here in a sec. Right? Now we just got to wait for the whole platform to go live, and then watching the integration happen. So this is going to be an interesting end of Q4 and a good start of Q1 and 2 for 2024. So they've got a good strategy. I don't tend to look past that because I want to see them get all this. So far, check mark. Let's watch this be check marked and this one. And that's going to allow me to DCA into it, right? Because a lot of times that means that this project is here to stay and the community and the team behind it is supportive. So let me kind of give you guys a breakdown of what I'm understanding it kind of does, like my summary. So I think that the token basically works like a dividend stock. You guys know what a dividend stock is. So if you hold a stock, as the company makes money, they will pay us dividends on it. I think that this is the same concept. So by holding the token, we're going to get revenue shares from their profits. The risk we're taking is if their trading sucks. But from what I've seen so far, I don't necessarily think that's as risky as some of the other shit that we take risks on does. Two, I don't think that we need to trade for ourselves. We just need to hold the number of token, and then we get a percentage based on the number of token we hold, right? So that's kind of cool. I also think that their idea here is basically to mitigate the risk by having a pool of traders. Like from what we see here is humans, right? We also saw up here, let's go to the top list, right? Humans, hedge funds, bots, AIs, and an algorithm trader. So that's kind of like working like a big fund in a sense. And then in a sense that should protect us from no single point of failure. So that would kind of be the goal with what it's doing. And I think that's a damn great idea. I have not seen a project like that. If there is one you guys have seen before, comment below. Oh, please like, share, and subscribe. Definitely click that young subscribe. Remember, if we make it to 2,500, I will do a nice ass giveaway in hopes to give you guys chances of trading. So just kind of keep that in mind, right? Okay, back to what we're looking at here. The one thing I don't love is the buy and sell tax, but as I said earlier, it is important and critical. So that's just something to keep in mind. Another thing I do like is there's no VCs or seed from what I've kind of seen. It's all just funded by their starters. I like the revenue share at 40%. So here, let's look at the white paper. I didn't actually get to open that bad boy yet. Yeah, this is sexy. Yeah, this is a beautiful white paper. It kind of breaks it all down. And honestly, take the time. If you're interested in this, 100% take the time. If you think this is a good op like mine, I do see it, definitely look through it and see if it makes sense. Oh, I love this. So the whole platform for copy trading was valued at $311 million in 2021. And now is, actually, it doesn't have a now, damn. But it is expected to get to 12.9 billion. That's a huge jump, you guys. That's like, I don't know, hundreds of percentages. Like, 1,400%. I'm just guessing quick. I'm doing mental math. I like the token name, right? That's actually pretty cool. Beautiful white paper. It kind of explains it into a lot more detail. And again, there's their whole roadmap. So it just kind of takes the sexy design website and breaks it down. But that's where I did see, yep, the 40% that goes to the profit holder, so revenue share for the holders of the token, and then 35% of the profits go to increasing the trading portfolio. See, I love that because then they're also DCAing, right? They're giving all of their opportunities a chance to keep growing, where many people don't. They'll try to take that money out, and I really love seeing that. That's a damn good positive thing right there, right? The more percentage goes into the fund to allow the fund to grow, the more profit we're going to gain as token holders. So that's definitely some shit to think about, right? And that fair stealth launch, just like I said, I saw that shit earlier. I was looking through the wallets and trying to make sure that that's true. And I so far fully support that and see that. So let's go right into the DEX tools. Chart looks damn healthy, damn sexy. Let's draw some lines and see what we're looking at here, boys. There, it looks like, is our current support. I know I cut some wicks off here. If we want to bend it over, we can. That would actually kind of work a little bit better. Yeah, let's stick to that one. Looks a lot more secure there. Currently market cap's at 343,000. You guys, that's a low ass market cap. That's an opportunity for life-changing numbers. And that's a sexy channel right there. That is a damn beautiful channel on the 1 hour time frame. The order books looks really good. It does not have a million bots fucking crawling through it, just draining all our money. That's awesome. That's great news. There's the buy and sell tax. Same exact number. No change there. Liquidity locked. You guys, Grok's liquidity was even freaking locked. That makes me super happy whenever I see that. So from what we see here, we have a chance to go right back up. And it looks like we could do another 70%. Here's the thing. Once we break this line, right, we break any of that channel line right here, then possibilities are endless. We don't know where it could stop. We don't know if there's a catalyst that could change it, but there's unlimited possibilities from here. So just really kind of keep watch of this damn chart, because that's crazy. It's a great channel, great position to be in, and from what we see so far, every milestone's been hit on their roadmap so far. Sexy ass chart. That's not a bad opportunity. Doesn't mean it'll have life-changing money done today, tomorrow, but look, from launch, I mean, you know, I hate doing that part, but from launch, we're up 3,500 to today, we're up 2,000, right? 1,700%. So pretty freaking good. Again, let's look through the holders here. We see that that's the team, and they say that blatantly. Everybody else is a buyer and a holder, you guys. That's amazing. Right? There's no guarantee to figure out all those wallets, but we can see here there's not one big amount governing a huge percentage of it. It's just 15% of the supply. And that goes to the team as founders, and they fucking deserve it. Right? As a founder of some of my own shit, I deserve a huge majority percentage, especially because I'm giving it the love and care, and I think that this team will do that here. So just keep watch. keep following the Twitter. I'll actually put that shit below because I need to start doing that. Anytime I'm reading something I like this, let's put that shit below. I'll put the links below. I'll put the website, the Twitter. I'll throw in the Telegram because I saw that somewhere in there, and I'll put in the DEX tools just so you can quickly go to it. Let me know what you guys think. Please, comment below if you get into this token. Why did you do it? What do you like about it? And what's your trading strategy with it? I hope to be a long-term holder. I hope that market cap makes it to 3 million, right? We get to something like that. That 10x's whatever investment you put into it. If it gets to 30 million, that's gonna 100x whatever investment you put into it, especially with where we're starting at now. Liquidity's at a pretty good number. Actually, let me do the math on that because we're at 60K liquidity out of the 300, and I'm going to do it at 43,000 because that's the current number. So that's 17% liquidity to market cap. That's fucking amazing for a ratio. So just keep close watch of that. Watch this bad boy. Comment below. Let me know what you did. Oh, like, share, and subscribe. Remember, we get to 2,500 subs, we'll run up the giveaway. All right. Thanks you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.